In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the outer taillight bulbs on your Hyundai Elantra. There's two bulbs over there, and the only tool you will need is a 10mm wrench. Open the driver's side door. Release the trunk. Once the trunk is open, the way to access the bulb is from inside the vehicle, and for that we need to first take off the taillight off the vehicle. Now that's access panel. Open that up. If it's the first time you're doing it, that seam over there, it may not be torn, so you'll have to do it. It's very easy. Just take your time with it. Be gentle. All right. Just tear that seam like that. Okay. Now that that is done, first thing we'll do is we'll take the electrical connector off. So pinch it down over there like that and pull it out. It should come right out. Now let's use the 10mm wrench to take off the 3 nuts which are holding the taillight in its place. Make sure you don't drop the nuts over there. Keep them safe, don't lose them. Now once that's done, we can just pull the taillight off. Grab it like that and it will come right out. Once that's done, we need to gently pull that rubber seal that's over there. Just gently pull it, don't yank it. You don't want to damage it. Now wherever you place that taillight, make sure you put a towel or a piece of napkin or something to make sure you don't scratch the lens there. Now that's the first taillight bulb holder. That's the one right on top of the turn signal bulb. Just twist the bulb holder left, pull it out, and now to get the bulb out, just grab it and pull it out. Now get the new bulb, align it with the slots in the bulb holder, and simply push it in. Now again, let's just put the bulb holder back in its place, make sure it sits flush, twist it right, and that's it. Now let's get the second bulb holder out. That's on the far end over there. Twist it left and it just comes right out. Again, same thing. Pull the bulb off. Get the new bulb. Align it with the slots over there in the bulb holder. And simply push the bulb in. Now let's put that bulb holder back in its place. Make sure it sits flush. Twist it right. And that's it. Now that hook over there. These 1, 2, 3, and 4 pins. These are the alignment pins that we need to make sure we align properly. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 holes and that white clip over there. Before we do that, let's put this rubber seal back in its place. Make sure you seal it properly. Don't rush it. See, once it's done, then we can install the taillight just like this. Align all those pins. Make sure it sits flush. Push it. See how it's sitting flush now? Good. Now that's done. Let's put those nuts back in its place and tighten them using the 10mm wrench. Let's not forget to connect the electrical connector. It just goes in one way. So slide it in and then click it. Now we can close that access panel. Let's try it out. That looks good, right?